Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add the Quick Note shortcut to the Control Center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Control Center, and then at More Controls section you can easily find this Quick Note shortcut. Then just hit at that plus sign to move it to Included Controls. That means that Quick Note shortcut is already at the Control Center. You can swipe down from the top right corner to open up Control Center, and right here you can easily find Quick Note shortcut. You can just tap on that to create Quick Note, just like that. Also, from here you can change the order of these shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down in that way. Let's say I want to place it at the very first position, and that means that Quick Note shortcut has been moved to the very first position at the Control Center. Also, from here you can easily remove any shortcut. Just tap at minus sign next to shortcut name and then hit Add Remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.